Hi, I'm Matt Tarrant, and I help business owners who are already making a living, even one that goes up and down month by month, transform their business fortunes, but not how you think. Clients come to me because they want to even out their cash flow and, get more cash flowing in. And even though they have a pretty good business already and a sales process that brings in new people, they can't seem to ramp it up as much as they'd like. And when they talk to me, I can almost see the headache and their clenched jaws. They describe the frustration they feel after putting all that work to build a sales process and get leads into it. And, some months it works really well and some months it bombs. And they can't seem to figure out between all the distracting advice there is online, how to fix it. And if this sounds familiar to you, you're certainly not alone. When my first business was up and running, it certainly seemed like we hit a wall. For the longest time, at a feast or famine, and we wanted to expand, but we just didn't have the reliable income we needed. And if this does sound familiar, I get it. And this is what I tell people: tap in to the not now buyers. Now, these are people, these not now buyers, they're people who they come to your website and they don't buy straight away, but they might buy one day, just not now. For most websites, the now buyers, the ones that are going to buy straight away, the ones who do phone you up or click on a link or something on your website, they're about just 4% of visitors for many websites. And not everyone else is going to buy from you. About 30% probably are not going to buy from you or not going to buy from anyone at all. They're just tire kickers. They're just looking around. They have no intention of getting anything, or they get distracted and they spend their money on something else. So you're not going to get everyone, but that leaves about 66% who could one day be your customers. And a great way to sort of get them in is to give them an ebook which explains how to buy your product or service. And if writing even an ebook, which is usually fairly short, 20 or 30 pages, plenty of illustrations, not too many words. If that seems too hard, though, I know one guy who creates ebooks without writing a word. He speaks into a voice recording app on his phone, and he sends a file off to a site called rev.com, that's rev.com, and he gets it transcribed, tidies it up a little bit. Then he sends it off to, he finds someone on fiverr.com, that's fiverr.com. You can get all sorts of services done on there for not so much money. And so he looks for someone, he searches for ebook creation. And he gets someone to turn his transcript into an ebook complete with all the graphics that he needs and all the layout done properly. And all told, it's a few $100s for a great lead magnet that'll pull in prospects for years. So to stay in front of the not now buyers and get them later on when they're ready, a great thing to do is to create a lead magnet, an ebook, show them your expertise in it, and of course include your contact details at the front, the end, the middle, the bottom of the pages, everywhere you can think of. I'm Matt Tarrant, and I'd like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions at all, oh, and by the way, I'll put those links, Fiverr and rev.com. If you've got any comments at all, ask them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer.